Hello Schoolbook users, my name is Evelyn. Did you know mobile push notification is one of the most efficient and free means to get your message across to everyone in your institution? Using Schoolbook, push notification is the latest trend in the world of communication and marketing, and we did not hesitate to implement a push notification feature into your Schoolbook school management system. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to send a mobile notification to your school mobile users, configure who can send a mobile notification, how it works, and many more. Without much ado, let's get started. Log into the Super Admin portal of your school management system. Based on the default setting of your school management system, not every user role will have the permission to send mobile notification. The rightful thing to do is to give permission to the user's role that you'd like to have access to send push notification to mobile user. To give permission to user role, you must be registered as the system super admin. Navigate to the Administrative Tasks menu, and from the drop-down menu, select the Permission Roles submenu. As you can see, this are the default user role in the system. For example, if you would like to give permission to the teacher role to have access to send push notification to mobile users, navigate to the teacher user role and click the blue Edit button to give permission, and here you can enable permission. Simply scroll down and search for the mobile notification row. All right, here is the mobile notification row. Enable the feature by selecting the Send New Notification feature, as I did, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Modify Role button. This will give access to all the teacher to send push notification, just as I give permission to the teacher role to be able to send mobile push notification. You can give permission to other user roles by following the same process. Better still, you can create a specific user role that will take the responsibility of sending push notification in your institution. Simply click the Add Role button and enter the role title and its description. You should enable only the Send Mobile Notification permission for this user and click the Add Role button to add this user role. Then create an employee and assign the employee this user role. The employee will be able to send mobile notification only in the system. In the next section of this tutorial video, I will show you how to send push notification to mobile users and many more. Stay put. Alright, we are back. To send push notification to mobile users, navigate to the Mobile Notifications menu and click on it. You can send push notification to all the user in the system, specific user role like teachers, student, or parent. Also, you can target specific user role type, like sending push notification to all the students in grade 9 class, or selected classes, or all the classes. You can target like this also for teachers and parent, and you can send to a specific user. Simply search for the username, email, or username and select the user. You can add multiple users. Type or paste the content of your message here and click the Send New Notification button, and your push notification will send to the target user's mobile phone. To see the history of all the push notification messages user have sent in the system, click this tab. You will see all the history and can delete a push notification by clicking this red Delete button. Also, there is a search bar to enable you quickly search for a push notification. Before I say goodbye, I'd like to clarify that the mobile notification works for institutions that are subscribed to Schoolbook Standard or the Professional plan. In summary, your institution users must be using your school management system mobile app for users to get the mobile push notification. Push notification is fun and engaging means of communication. You should start utilizing mobile notification using Schoolbook. To learn more about Schoolbook, please check out other of our tutorial videos. And if you have a question regarding this tutorial video, do not hesitate to get in touch with us or contact your account manager. We'd be glad to hear from you. Thank you.